The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Norte in Region 1 or Ilocos Region. The province of Ilocos Norte has the city of Laoag as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is a part of the Luzon Island Group in Region 1 or Ilocos Region. It is composed of 2 cities, 21 municipalities, and 559 barangays. It was founded on February 2, 1818. The total land area is 3,467.89 kilometers squared or 1,338.96 square miles. Ilocos Norte is bordered clockwise from the northeast by Cagayan, Apayao, Abra, Ilocos Sur, and the South China Sea. The different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Norte in Region 1 or Ilocos Region. We have the municipality of Adams with 1 barangay, the municipality of Bacara with 43 barangays, the municipality of Badok with 31 barangays, the municipality of Bangue with 14 barangays, the municipality of Bana with 20 barangays, the city of Batak as a component city with 43 barangays, the municipality of Burgos with 11 barangays, and the municipality of Carasi with 3 barangays. We also have the municipality of Corimao with 23 barangays, the municipality of Dingras with 31 barangays, municipality of Dumalneg with 4 barangays, and the city of Laoag, which also serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital, with 80 barangays. We also have the municipality of Marcos with 13 barangays, municipality of Nueva Eira with 11 barangays, municipality of Pagudpod with 16 barangays, and the municipality of Paway with 31 barangays. We also have the municipality of Pasukin with 33 barangays, municipality of Pidig with 23 barangays, municipality of Pinili with 25 barangays, municipality of San Nicolas with 24 barangays, municipality of Sarat with 24 barangays, municipality of Solsona with 22 barangays, and the municipality of Ventar with 33 barangays. And that is all about the different cities and municipalities comprising the province of Ilocos Norte in Region 1 or Ilocos Region. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.